east, west, south of show business, and outside of show business, we're so excited with this banggaan at tunggalian. Well, now we know on round one who won. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
You are watching The Kitty Show. Ang Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition, dun muna tayo sa positive at bonggang-bonggang digits ng Sigabo. Mare, ilan ba ang kanilang peak concurrent viewers nung actual airing nito?
That was June 22,
Yes.
Monday.
Ano ang kanilang peak concurrent viewers on June 22, last June 22?
404,124.
Yan sa kanilang online.
Mm-mm.
Pero, sa apat na free TV channels na TV5, All TV, A to Z, at Kapamilya Channel, kung saan pinalabas ang Sigabo, ang kanyang rating lamang ay 8.2%. At ang kanilang kalabang Master Cutter ay 9.9%. Obviously, malaking kalaban ang Sigabo dahil dati ang Master Cutter nung siya ay namamayagpag at wala pang kalaban, lagi itong nasa 10.2, nasa 11 point something.
Mm-mm.
So ngayon, nakatagpo sila ng formidable opponent pero still by a mere 1% ang kanilang lamang. We were able to watch the first 2 episodes of Sigabo during an exclusive screening, Mara. What were the things that you liked about the show?
It's fast-paced.
Okay.
The introduction of the story, yung expositions ng mga characters, napakagaling, napakaganda. 'Di ba? Parang parang walang walang loophole, 'di ba? Especially the first scene yung sa riot sa sa city jail. So dun it actually all started there, 'di ba? Tapos we came to know who si Gabo is, tapos 'di ba?
Gabo is.
Gabo is pala, hindi pala si Gabo. Who Gabo is played by Coco Martin. Tapos nakalayas siya. Yung kanilang yung kanyang community na kinalakhan.
Okay.
My God! It's parang
It's icky.
oh my God! Sa akin, you smell the stench and the filth of poverty. My
Yes!
God!
Oh my gosh!
Diba? Parang it reminded me of a Lino Broca film.
Oo.
Na lahat ng
Para mga leveling
kanal,
leveling ng mga pasan ko ang daigdig, yung mga poverty porn na pinasikat ni Direk Brillante Mendoza.
At saka yung Bona. Diba?
Insyal.
Oo.
Diba yung mga ganon? But there is also another criticism about that whole thingy. Nabasa ko ito sa X. Maraming nagsasabi doon na para raw Batang Quiapo ang probinsyano pa rin. Yung pagpapakita ng squalor and stench. What say you?
Alam mo kasi, yun ang revolving fact dito, poverty stays forever.
Yes.
Diba? You cannot,
And no one,
Oo.
no president, no mayor, no senator, no many congressman for so many districts has eradicated poverty. It's a given. It's a way of life. It's already a part of Filipino culture.
At saka I think, ang underlying dito ang underlying reason ng show is ito ang katotohanan sa buhay ng mga mahihirap na Pilipino. 'Di ba? So isipin nyo, because kayo kasi living in the
Gated communities. In high-rise condos.
Oo. Pero you don't see the talaga,
In the suburbs.
the beyond poverty line na mga mahihirap. Yun ang pinamukha ng show na to ni Coco. Diba?
Alam mo, when I saw everything that was being panned by the camera, it reminded me, there's also a book by Dan Brown that described the underbelly of Manila. Underbelly of Manila. So, ganun talaga. So, sa akin, what I liked about the show is number one, all the people living in gintong ano ba yan? Gintong lupa.
Ewan ko,
Gintong
gininto
pangarap.
ang lupa.
Ginito ang lupa, are really the everyday masa.
Mm.
Diba? Hindi siya ginawang glossy ni Coco.
Yeah.
Diba? Pinakita niya, sabi mo, as is where is. Pinaka gusto ko doon is despite their condition, they really are happy. They are together. They work as family. And they genuinely care for one another. Kita-kita yun lalo na sa pamilya ni Gabo, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi kalalabas niya lang. Sana huwag nang gawin yung mga dating ginagawa.
Yeah.
At mag-ganun pa. And then, isa pinakagusto kong statement nun is how much Coco showed respect for people from the LGBTQ.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Yung unang, ang tagal-tagal na nakatutok dun sa bading na may hawak na, ano ba?
My megaphone.
Megaphone.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, hindi siya caricaturish. Talagang yung, ganun talaga yung mga, kita mo mga bakla. Tapos
Mm.
yung nakakaaliw na basketball game nila. Diba?
Yeah.
Kita mo yung community, yung pagka community atmosphere ng lugar nila. And then, isa pang gustong-gusto ko doon, yung pag-angkla ni Sue Ramirez as Tekla. Nung dumating si Gabo,
Iba si Sue.
best in saklang ka, Sue. Talaga ikaw kahit kailan, Sue, ginagalingan mo eh.
Mm-mm.
Agaw eksena ka. And then, yung dynamics ng, if you were able to watch si Gabo, yung best of the best of Philippine character actors.
Oo.
Seasoned actors,
At
mga
saka hindi,
baguhan.
even the actors can act.
Yes.
Di ba?
Di ba yung mga bakla nga, lahat extra eh.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo, mga beat players, pero ang
Yeah.
gagaling.
At saka parang in the neighborhood lahat yon.
Oo. And I just really love the manner ini-escalate yung things. Iba yung, aside from the kulungan, iba the super long bus car chase scene.
Oo.
Diba? Ang galing noon. And then yung iringan nila nung character ni Julia. Diba?
Kala ko yung away nila ni Django.
Hindi, yung muna si Julia.
Jong
Yung
Hilario.
yung kay Julia muna. Tapos yung pilyong paghalik ni Gabo sa character ni Julia, na lalong kinabwisit ni Julia.
Mm.
And then, of course, you really have to have a Jong Hilario
Oh, ang galing.
para tapatan ang igting at galing ng isang Coco Martin.
Oo, ang galing.
Nakakaloka.
Iba.
Alam niyo yung action sequences ng si Gabo, ako ang napapagod.
Mm-mm.
Parang nanonood ko ng mga yung mga
Parang it's a movie.
parang di ba? Saka hindi even the look, di ba?
Mm-mm.
It was very cinematic.
Mm.
The cinematography, the production design, everything about it was cinematic. So, kung sa round 1, natalo sila ng 1%, abangan natin ng susunod sa round. So, alam ko, tiyak magtatapat, didikit, o may mas aangat sa kung sino. But, you should never put or criticize na tell people, wala lang si Coco.
Ay, no.
No.
It will not
Napakamali po
happen.
ng, napapasa ko yun sa X eh.
Yeah.
A lot of people, kasi pagod daw si Coco, sawa na. No, first episode pa lang po ang binibigyan ng rating. At by this time,
At saka hindi they fail to realize na established na yung show nung Ding Dong something ba yon? Established na kasi, di ba?
Oh.
Ilang buwan na yon.
parang 2 months na
Oo,
bago
di ba?
dumating si
Oh.
Coco dahil
So,
delay siya,
at
di
saka,
ba?
magaling pa ng performance rating wise ng si Gabo kasi biruin mo, na-establish na yung for 2 months. Tapos dumating siya. O 1% lang
1%
naman ang
lang naman. So kaya nga sabi ko, the competition is more exciting.
And the story of Coco's is way better than the than that of Ding Dongs.
Well, I cannot comment on that because I have not watched. I only watched the first week episode of Master
Good
Cutter,
guy.
and then I've only watched 2 shows of Sigabo.
Alam mo, yung si Gabo, may balance. You know why?
Balance because
Di ba nakita natin yung kahirapan ng community ni ni Gabo? Tapos ang pambalanse, yung social na environment na kinalakhan ng karakter ni Julia. Di ba? So may balance, di ba? Nakita mo, gated community, yung village, yung car na ginagamit niya. So,
Yung car niya parang si Bumblebee, di ba?
hindi yun, just because of the color.
Parang,
Pero ano yun,
alam mo talaga, inintik yung mag-transform?
Ah?
So, yung car
yung hindi. That's a muscle car. That's a Mustang. Ang ano doon is yung naipakita, ito ang poor. This is the ano naman.
And I also look
The elite.
forward kung ano yung character development ng mga soft drink beauties because they're all there.
Ano, chismosa?
Si Coca
Mga
Nicolas,
hay,
si Sarcy
ang
Emmanuel, and Myra Manibog. I also want to see mahusay pala sa Deborah Soon because she was like one of the better character actresses during her heydays. I also want to see the character development of Irma Adlawan. Kasi,
oo.
Di ba?
Akala ko nung una, nanay ni hindi
naman pala.
pala.
Tsahin lang pala, o si Sarah. At,
pero nakakatawa, di ba? Diyos ko, tatay ba si
tatay ni Joey.
Tatay si
Coco.
Joey?
Oo.
Oh, sa kabilang show, tatay din siya.
Baka naman sa kabilang show, kasi 2 months na yun, di ba? Baka patay na si Joey doon. Hindi lang natin alam.
Okay.
Pwedeng ganon, di ba? So, kasi nung nakita ko nga, ay, tatay na, ang talo ni Joey, ha? Dalawa show. Tapatan, di ba? Nung araw, bawal yun, ha? But again, lahat ng mga tao, whether you're a fan of Master Cutter or whether you're a fan of Sigabo, napakaganda sa industriya at lalong-lalo na para sa mga manonood na Pilipino na merong dalawang magandang action series na pinapalabas sa kasalukuyan. At kami, we are congratulating CCM and the rest of the team, all the actors who are part of Sigabo dahil talagang maganda, panalo, at talagang marami pang pupuntahan at maraming aral na mapupulot sa inyong palabas. Ito po si Alwin Ignacio, Diva That You Love. Kasama ko aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
At inaanyayahan po namin kayo manood ng reality show. Pinapalabas po kami tuwing Sabado at Linggo, alas 4 ng hapon, sa aming Diario Tirada YouTube channel at of course, sa aming Facebook pagina. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin ngayong Sabado ng hapon.